In this video, I will show you how to delete your Telegram account. The steps are easy and straightforward. So let's get started. Note that Telegram does not offer option to temporarily deactivate your account. By default, Telegram has a feature that automatically deletes your account if you don't log in for a specific period of time. Now open Telegram app on your device. Now on the bottom bar, tap Settings. Now scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and under Automatically Delete My Account, you will find option If Away for with number of months. Tap on this option. Under this option, you will see time frame for the account deletion if you don't log in. The default is set for 6 months, but you can adjust it for any period between 1 month and 24 months. Now select the desired time frame to configure the auto deletion settings. But if you want to delete your account manually, then you have the option Delete Account Now. Just tap on this Delete Account Now option and your Telegram account will be immediately deleted. So that is how you can delete your Telegram account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.